bought me this.
Okay. And what do you want to say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy, so much for the card and the Tinkerbell.
Okay.
I always wanted this from the store. And I wanted this at the store too, at the Disney store.
And he told the Easter Bunny for you.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, open it.
Oh my goodness, they bought me new one. Then I have to start all over. Perfect. Because I ripped it.
You did?
Yeah. The one ripped this one.
Oh, wow.
I eated the new one. And I love Barbie. And I love Periwinkle too. This is the one I wanted.
Is it?
And the Tinkerbell too. I eat a Tinkerbell and here.
The winter.
That means I get to play with my fairies.
That's right.
Good night.
Okay. What else? Whoops.
Barbie and a charm and a charm.
Oh, Charm School. Princess Charm School. Cool.
Awesome. I wanted it, but and the lovely book and Nora got and Ariel.
Is it Ariel? Let's see. Turn them around. Turn 'em around. Ooh, Princess one. And School Day. Cool. Those are nice.
This is one that Nora got.
Does she have that one?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just got it in the car. I love that book. And a puzzle cup with an Easter egg.
Cool.
And there's princesses. I have to show Grandma. Then I have
Hold on. Finish opening it. You can show Grandma after.
after. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, what is that?
M&M's.
Cool.
Squeaky.
Those are
Yummy.
Peeps. They're Peeps.
Peeps. They're yummy. Yummy to my tummy. And it looks like you carried away.
Reese's Pieces.
Your
Mmm.
favorite.
Mm.
And Daddy's favorite. I love those too. Reese's Pieces. Now I open the next one.
Yeah, and that one's from Grandma and Grandpa. You want to wait for them? And you can open it when they come? Go show Grandma your stuff. Okay?
I want to get one candy.
We're going to eat breakfast. One candy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Where's the candy at?
It's in the eggs. Open the egg.
With the egg?
Be careful. What kind is it?
Jelly?
You want? No, if you don't want those, you can see the other ones. Here. Let's see the bag.
I think they're all jelly beans.
No. I think not.
I can't close it.
Bring the bag, I'll tell you.
Because what candy he's going to have. And these are going to have. Let's pink one. M&M's.
Mm-hmm. Here. You want more? You want more? Sophia? One more? No more? Okay. Okay, go say good morning to Grandma. Go say good morning to Grandma.
What?
To Grandma.